Welcome to Ngcobo 10 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting us. Please subscribe and help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. Aitada. This is Ngcobo 10 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Polokwane City North. The only fan that has got PhD. The only fan that has got the right to be inside the dressing room. Are you good, my brother?
I'm good in yourself.
Good, man.
Good,
your thought, please, man, about the game tonight.
No, I think this was the starting lineup of Mngqithi. You remember I did tell you about the starting lineup of Sundowns management. The one that we saw against Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
The one that we also saw the last game Cape Town City, yes. They really wanted to play. It's a pity they are not in a good shape to be in the starting 11, the preferred starting 11, to be honest, because we all know Mamelodi Sundowns right back, Kulisom Dau, you mentioned them, all of them, according to Mokoena, a regular here today was Ronwen and the striker Shalulile. Majority of the players
maybe Morena there and there.
You understand, they were not there, but at the end of the day they were able to win. We're talking about a team that made them to suffer a loss in Polokwane. It was rather an invitation for a cry from Sundowns supporters. They might be celebrating now, but they know before the game started they were not happy because of this first 11. They were all complaining. Remember, I know how fans behave. I'm a fan myself. Had he lost this game, they were going to be on top of him and be blaming him and talking about Benny Mngqithi and stuff. But at the end of the day, he has won it, and we are happy that he has won. Obviously, and I won't lie to you, I had come here to Minya. I was hoping that they lose. And no one must lie to you and want to sound smart and nice. I mean, when you are number one, you're always looking for your number two to check where are they and stuff. So I was hoping for a loss or a draw. But I'm eating my humble pie. They won. Congratulations to them. Obviously, we are taking a break now. They'll be playing the Champions League. We'll be playing the Champions League. We'll be back and stuff. But it's going to be a very interesting season. What Mngqithi is trying to do won't happen. It won't happen. He will try to do it because obviously, let me tell you from a business point of view, and I can tell you that as I'm the only fan who's qualified to do so. Mngqithi is just trying to look at football from a business sense, to say Mamelodi Sundowns pays its players a lot of money. That's a fact. We cannot deny that. So he's trying to please management while neglecting his own job. While trying to please management, there will be games that he'll lose. And the very same management that he's trying to please, the fans will come so hard on him and the management won't protect him. Because he is trying to show management that the money that you are spending on these players, I can make use of it. You understand? Because now the management is like bothered to say, how can we be paying these guys a lot of money while they are not playing? So Mngqithi is trying to give them a reason to say, these players can play. You understand? You didn't. I can rotate players and stuff because they are quality. We are talking about yes. We're talking about, when you talk about your Morena, we're talking about international player. You understand? All these players that were bought here, remember, they were bought from big teams while playing football. So they came here. Some of us did allude to the fact that Sundowns is like an old age home. Every time a player comes here, they come and get benched. It's like it's a strategy to destroy other teams. You understand? Just to give them money, and once they get money, they lose passion. And then after going out of Sundowns, no team wants them. Their value has now depreciated. But because some of us, we don't care, we can say it as it is. So now he's trying to correct that, and it's not his fault. This thing started long time ago with the likes of Pito, when he won the leagues using other teams, destroying other teams to win the league. That's how it's done. There's no other better way of putting or better way of putting it. That's how Sundowns won the league in the past. So Mngqithi has a desire, and Flemingbeck, to do things right and correct, to say we are not just signing players, but we are making use of them. But we the way Orlando Pirates is pushing, they will force him to go back to his first 11. You understand? Because now it works when you're playing against rather smaller teams. But if you're going to have 3 games, maybe against Stellenbosch, against Orlando Pirates, and against maybe another bigger team, you'll have a problem because you cannot do that rotation. You'll have to play Mokoena 3 times in a row.
Exactly.
You'll be forced to change against your principle. So, but for now, congratulations to him, because I'm able to tell things that are to come. I say them as they are. He won't be consistent with what he's doing, because no one will break into the from the middle of the park. You can mention them, all these players. They will never break into the first 11. Allende will always be there. Mokoena will always be there. And this is a wake-up call to all the players that will be signed by Mamelodi Sundowns to say, when you go into this team, the only thing that you must come and enjoy, it's money. But you must know that you're not going to be in the starting 11. I won't sugarcoat it. It is the way it is. Before you sign a contract, you must check your financial aspect or your salary, how much you'll be earning and stuff, and understand that more than anything, you will enjoy the bench while getting your salary.
Beautiful.
If it happens by some sort of a fluke, you will get in. How many seasons has Shalulile been in this team and been playing?
Lots.
Yes.
Lots.
If I just want to prove a point. If Ronan Williams, if you are a goalkeeper and you are being signed here, you must know that for all those years you must wait. You understand? When you are a right back, you must know that Khuliso Mudau will be here for all this season, and you must wait. And if Mudiba, you are a left back, you must know that you must wait and wait and wait and wait while your future is or your career is being destroyed in a way, not intentionally so, but we just hope Mangoba Mngqithi will change this thing. Look at how many players they have. They had this guy now who just came, this guy who came from together with the likes of Isquavel. Nasir, there are many players here, and I don't think they'll be able to put them, because remember, unless the football changes and they're able to put 20 players at once, but as far as if it's still 11, they will go back because they'll be pressed. Remember, Orlando Pirates is winning every game, so they will be pushed and pressed into their first 11. Renias is a striker, quite a striker. I can tell you without any shadow of a doubt that is going to make it to the first 11. You look at Noel Maema, quality, and such player of this quality cannot afford to sit on the bench, like you saw with your chef who's playing for Skukune. He played for one game. The second goal, I think the first goal he scored. The second game he became man of the match. I'm talking about a player who came from SuperSport United and was playing with Mokoena, and he came here and he was benched throughout, in and out, week in and week out, until he got prison break and went to Skukune, where he got game time. He can score. He can even become man of the match. To show that we are talking about a Bafana International. How do you bench such a player season after season? You understand? We need to see these players. Mangoba Mngqithi is trying to do that. Unfortunately, he's got so many players into his dish. So there's no other way of doing it.
No, thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much. Please make sure that you subscribe and help us to get to 10,000 subscribers. Each other. Hola. Each other.
Sure.
Thanks for being here.